You want to go in front? Right up on the left, there's some statues. The row of catalpa trees here remind me of Arkansas. So this one, oh, there's another one down the street a little ways. Here's a girl and a boy. This time you can tell what they are because they have their hearts blowing on, what are these, lutes? And then there's an interesting lady about a half a block further. Then we can go home. Yeah. Where? That? Sycamore. What kind of tree are these?
Catalpa.
Catalpa.
Or I'm following you.
She's somewhere right along in here. On the other side of the street, I think. Oh, here's the Sparkasse. Yeah. Let me go get this lady first. Move over here. Oh, we can't move over there. Never mind. It's too much stuff. You've got your mask available. Would you do it?
Yeah.
Just